I'm going to do this by formula, and I'm going to factor out a 9a4. That would be 1 minus 3b squared over 9a4. I'll reduce that in a moment. This is raised to the 1/2 power. So what do you get there? Well, a square root of 9 is 3. The square root of a4 is a squared. And then it's going to be this. 1 minus b squared over, you know what? I don't want to write the minus sign, so I want to write it as an addition problem. Sorry about that. Minus b squared over 3a4. And this is being raised to the 1/2 power. All right, so I'm going to start writing it down now. And what do you get over here? 3a squared times 1 plus 1/2. And I only got to go to 4 terms. Sorry about jamming it in there. Let's go to the next term. Well, that's going to be 1/2. And then it's going to be 1/2 minus let's see, 1/2 minus 1 minus 1/2 over 2 factorial, which is 2, times minus b squared over 3a4 squared. Let's keep going. And I know I'm jamming it in here, by the way. So 1/2 minus 1/2. And that's going to be 1/2 minus 2. And that's 1/2 minus 4/2, so that's minus 3/2. Over 3 factorial, which is 6. And then you get the minus b squared over 3a4 to the 3rd power. All right, it's worked out. There's no doubt about it. I'm kind of jamming it in too, though. So let's start writing it down. 3a squared, 1. Let's do the next term. It's a minus sign, right? I want to point out what I'm doing now. I'm doing this. And what do you get there? It looks like b squared. And what do you get on bottom? 6a4. All right, I'm going to go to the next term, this one over here. I just got to get 4 terms, by the way. Okay, I'm going to do the sign first. And let's see, positive, it's going to be negative. And now I want to do the letters. B4, because they're easy for me. And A8. Now I'm going to do the number. I already got the sign, by the way. So I get, let's see, 1/4. That's what I get on top. And on the bottom, I get 6. So that's 1/4, 1/24. All right, I'm going to put that down. Okay, let me get my eraser out. And let me see what I can get rid of over here, this stuff over here. I'm going to go to the next term. They get worse over time, by the way. There's no doubt about it. You know what I'm going to do first? Just the sign of it. And what do you get there? Negative again. I am going to put down the letters. So it's going to be B6, and then the A to 12. All right, let's keep going. Got to get the number now. And let's see. I already know the sign of it, by the way. I'm just going to do it. It looks like you get 3 on top and 8. And on bottom, you get 6 times 27. I'm going to rewrite this. Much more difficult, by the way. And that goes in 9 times. And let's see what would you get there, right? 54. You know what I'm going to do, because I have to multiply later on. I'm not going to multiply it out. I'm going to say 48 times 9. Again, I'm going to save myself some effort over here. I'm going to say plus dot, dot, dot. I got to multiply it out, though. And here comes my work. So you're going to get 3a squared minus b squared over 2a squared minus b4. 3 goes to 24 8 times. Then you get a6 minus b6. You get a10. And let's see, 3 goes into 9 3 times, and 3 times 48, 120 and 24, 144. And again, this goes on and on and on and on. Let's see if we got the right answer, though. It's work, though. I'm saying a lot of people find it very tedious work. And I agree, it is kind of tedious. Wow. I'm making a mistake in one of the terms, right? I got to look back over my work. They're not agreeing. I'm not agreeing with that. And then this one over here, I'm agreeing with that. So I'm not agreeing with the number there. And I got to look back over my work. And this is what can happen when you're studying. You have to look back over your work. And the question is, which one am I not agreeing with? And I'm not agreeing with this guy over here. So I got to do the computation again. Signs are okay, letters are okay. So let's go through that again. So what do you get? You get 1/4. On the bottom, you get 2 times 9, which is 18. So you get 1 times 4 times 18. And did I write that down? No, I made a mistake. So I'm going to get my eraser out and correct my work. 4 times 18. All right, get my eraser out now. And if you multiply that by 3, you do get 24. So I'm in agreement with that. The key is correct. That's a 24. Sorry about that. Mistakes happen. And you're going to notice when you're doing homework that that's an important thing to consider, where you're making a mistake. And be more careful, all right? Because it's easy for me to say that. I'm not taking a test. If I were taking a test, I'd certainly be a lot more careful. Thank you.